Oh, hey, didn't see you there. We're gonna start with the shout outs. Shout out to Barbie Fun Times and World of Dolls. Hey! And we also want to take a moment to say thank you for over 150 subscribers! Thank you guys so much for all of your support. We always want to keep making videos to keep you guys smiling and to bring out your creativity. We love all of you so dearly. Thank you. Oh, that never gets old. Come on, Jack. How are we gonna give away all the candy if you keep scaring away all the trick-or-treaters?
I'm not scaring them. I'm just getting free candy. Hey, Dad, the pizza's here. Pizza? Wait a minute. I didn't order any pizza. Oh well. Phew. Spider! Skipper, kill it! Dad, you got pranked. Skipper, don't leave me alone, the spider! Hey, Chelsea, Dylan, wanna see something super cute? Okay. Oh, look how cute! Oh, he's so cute! Ah! Pranked you guys! So mean! Yeah, Skipper, you need something? Okay, I'll be right back. Here, Skipper. Thank you. Ew, Skipper! Mom! Another one down. Okay, Mommy will be right back. Gotcha, Mom. Okay, guys, so I found a body in security, and I saw Ronald coming out, and Ronald, how could you not see that body unless you were... Can she hear us? No, she's got headphones on. I'm so sick of Skipper's Halloween pranks. I wonder if she'd like it if we do the same thing to her. That's actually not a bad idea. How about we prank her the way she always pranks us? How are we gonna do that? We're terrible at pranks. You leave that to me. Hello?
Yes. Wait, is your name Sydney? Oh my gosh, it's me.
No, this is Skipper. You've got the wrong number.
Oh my goodness, why don't you just quit lying about your name before I come and cut you like a fish, Cindy?
What's that, Mom? You're cleaning out the bedroom? And you found games under the bed.
What? Tell her I have no idea where those Dead Space games came from.
Wait a minute. I am in the bedroom.
Bye, Dad.
Oh, great.
Dylan, stay still.
I'm trying to, but you're so heavy. What did you eat?
Shh, she's coming. Dylan, stop moving.
Josie.
Ah!
Oh, nice prank, by the way.
Thanks a lot, Dylan. There you are, Skipper. My hand is bleeding and...
Come on, Stacie. I know ketchup when I see it.
Okay, Jack, you go get a mask.
Oh, man.
Be very, very quiet. Hey, Dylan, I saw something move. It was over there. I don't see anything. I saw it too. Stacie. We saw something move. Yeah, we saw something move over there. Guys, I don't see nothing. Told you guys not to watch shows scary. Guys, be quiet. You're gonna wake her up.
Mom? That's not us.
Well then.
Stacie, open the door.
It won't open.
Let me try.
Guys, I thought I heard some screaming. My head.
Jack?
Pranked you guys again.
A prank? Should have known. You were there.
Then who's...
Hi. Well, you said I could have a sleepover. Remember? Oh, yeah.
should have seen the looks on your faces. I wish you would have got that on camera.
And I thought that prank would be a colossal failure, but it turns out it was the best prank ever. I never seen you guys get so scared in my life.
Yeah, Skipper, keep bragging on. Nobody cares. Oh, Stacie, I'm sorry. You want to play Among Us with me?
Chelsea, Dylan,
No, thanks.
no thank you. Dad, no thank you.
Ugh, come on, guys. It was just a prank. It's not my fault nothing scares me. Oh, guys, I have exciting news. Your principal called today, and it looks like you guys will be going back to school tomorrow. And look what came in the mail.
No.
Nice prank, Mom. Too bad Halloween's over, though. Oh, no, sweetie, that wasn't a prank. Oh, but don't feel bad. Even Dad has to go to work today.
What?
Yeah, sweetheart, your boss called, and he said there's been a slight change of plans, and he wants you in by 2 days.
Okay. Everybody? Back door.
Happy Halloween!